Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon juicer. First, carefully unpack all the components from its box. You'll typically find the motor base, a pulp container, a juice pitcher, and the main juicing assembly. Begin by securely attaching the juicing bowl to the motor base, ensuring it clicks into place. Then, position the strainer and blade assembly inside the bowl. Finally, attach the lid and feeding chute, making sure all parts are firmly locked for safe operation. This ensures a stable and efficient juicing experience. Before you start juicing, proper ingredient preparation is key for the best results. Always wash all your fruits and vegetables thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. For larger items, cut them into smaller, manageable pieces, typically 1 to 2 inches in size, so they fit easily into the juicer's feeding chute. Remember to remove any hard pits from fruits like peaches or plums, and thick peels from citrus or pineapple, as these can damage the juicer or affect juice quality. Now for the exciting part, juicing. Once your ingredients are prepped and the juicer is assembled, place the juice pitcher under the spout and the pulp container in its spot. Turn on your juicer, usually to a low or high setting depending on the produce. Slowly feed your prepared fruits and vegetables into the feeding chute. Use the food pusher to gently guide them down, applying steady, even pressure. Avoid forcing ingredients, as this can strain the motor. Let the juicer do its work efficiently. After enjoying your fresh juice, proper cleaning is essential for maintaining your juicer's performance and longevity. First, always unplug the unit from the power outlet. Then, carefully disassemble all the removable parts. Rinse each component under warm, running water immediately to prevent pulp from drying and sticking. Use the small cleaning brush, often included, to thoroughly clean the mesh strainer basket, as this is where most pulp accumulates. Allow all parts to air dry completely before reassembling or storing them away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.